How to log out of Twitter on all devices.
Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to How to Solution.
And today in this video, I will tell you how to log out of Twitter on all of your devices. So first, launch the Twitter app. Even if you're using iPhone, iPad or Android devices, just follow the same procedure. Once you launch the Twitter app, and after that, make sure that you've been logged in into your account. And once you logged in into your account, then you'll land on the Twitter home screen. After that, now tap on the profile icon on the left upper corner. Now tap your Twitter profile icon in the upper left corner of your home screen. Now the menu appears. If you scroll down, you'll come across a section where it says Settings and Privacy. Tap here. Now go into the Security and Account Access. After that, tap on Apps and Sessions. Now tap on Sessions. Now you'll see your active session associated with your current device displayed on the top part of this section, and all other active Twitter sessions that you'll actively logged out of listed toward the bottom of this section. Now tap on Logged Out of all other sessions. After that, a dialog box appears that says if you want to end your other Twitter sessions. Now tap Logout in the dialog box. After that, you'll return to the Session section, where you'll see your active Twitter session is the only active session and all other Twitter sessions have been logged out. So guys, that is it in this video. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you have any question, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll sure be answer them as soon as possible. I'll catch you up guys later in the next video. Until then, have a good one. Bye.